Hello, Professor. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the final assignment of Social Data Mining and Techniques. This is the final assignment and the final presentation. I am Prince Maikwan, and my team members are Harsh Patel and Santaram. We have selected the subject, which is none other than helmets, and we will be reviewing the analysis on the helmets. And the main topic of the helmets is the main focus is on the safety helmets. So the agenda of this project is basically introduction, team introductions, then the technologies, and the entire project. Again, introducing the team. The team leader is Harsh Patel. Basically, he is from India, but he belongs to South Africa nowadays. He has done his BCom with IT, and he has worked as a data analyst back in SA, and recently he is working as a data analyst in this project. Talking about Santaram, he has also done his bachelor's in IT. He is from India. He has worked as a programmer back in India, and in this project he is working as a developer. As I said, I am Prince Maikwan. I also have done my bachelor's in IT. Back in India, I have worked as an electrical technician, and in this project, I am working as a designer. While talking about the tools and the technologies used in this project, which are Visual Studio Code, Beautiful Soup, Tableau, Python, and Anaconda. So here the introduction of the assignment as well as team members ends, and I would like to hand over the presentation to my colleague. Thank you. Hi, again it's Clancy. Welcome to the custom design part of the project, and as we have discussed, our topic is helmets. So here I will be demonstrating live project work. So this is the website or URL which you need to search on the Google. Then you need to log in your account, and if you have enough credits, you will be able to create the project. From here we will be creating the project. So let us name the project helmets part 1. Rest everything is okay. Project types, classification, multi-class, domains, everything is okay. Just create a project. So this will be the dashboard after launching the project. So first of all, we will be naming the tags. So basically I have taken 4 kinds of helmets, which are helmets for the adults, helmets for the kids, helmets for baseball, and safety helmets. So I will name the tags accordingly. Safety helmets, kids, adults, and baseball. So after naming the tags, we'll be uploading the images. So I will click on the add images. Then I will go for the adult helmets. So here we need to add the tag, and these files will be uploaded in the adult tags. Then we will be uploading the baseball helmets. Select the tag, and the images will be uploaded in the required section. Again, add images. It's and then lastly, the safety helmets. Safety. Name the tag. If you forget to name the tags, the images will be uploaded in the untagged folder, which won't help you to finish your project. So now we can see that after our images are uploaded, hence we'll be checking the performance, but in order to check the performance we need to train the models. So we will be training the models, and yes, quick training is the best option. So it will take few minutes, and we can't do anything except waiting. And now it is visible that our models have been trained, and here we can see the performance. The precision is 57.1%, the recall is 50%, and the AP is 75.8%. Now we will be moving towards the quick test. So I have selected some pictures. For the test, I have selected a cap, a winter cap, and a sport helmet for the quick test, and let us see what results it provides. So we'll be going for the quick test. So first of all, I will be uploading the image of cap, and we can see the predictions. Probability is 47.9% for baseball helmets, while it's 40.5% for safety helmets, whereas it's 8% for adults. It might be because of the color or the shape. Now I will be uploading the sport helmet. Wow, that's great. That's 83.4% for adult helmets, because yeah, it matches almost like it. So for the safety helmets, it's 12.4%. It can be because of the shape, nothing else. I will be using one more image, which is winter cap. See, it's 74.4% for adults, while it is 19.7% for safety helmets, whereas it is 3.2% for baseball helmets. So that was all about the custom vision part, and thank you very much for your precious time. And again, I would like to hand over the presentation to my colleague. Thank you.
Hello Rick, my name is Shankar Rampathasarathy and this is my presentation for the final assignment. Now for the final assignment, we have done a review analysis of helmets, motorcycle helmets. Now I wanted to know what helmet I need to buy, as I found out that motorcycles is more easily accessible for me if I wanted a vehicle to move around. And I was researching on helmets, and that's why I decided on this topic for our final assignment. So this is our team, and as Clancy has already told you, I am the web scraper, so I will tell you what we have done. So these are the technologies we have used. We used Beautiful Soup for web scraping. Tableau is used by my friend Hirsch, because he is the one who does the presentation and stuff. And I have just done the web scraping part. So now I'll move on to what I've done. So this is the website we used, fortnite.ca. So I'll show it to you now. Let me close these. Okay, this is the website that we have used, fortnite.ca. And basically it's a motorcycle website. Like, it has everything related to motorcycles you would want: helmets, jackets, motorcycle parts, anything for Canada. So yeah, as you can see, it has everything. So we didn't go through everything, we just went for the helmets. So basically what we have done is we have taken each helmet, then when you go inside each helmet and then go to reviews. Okay, where is it? It's not, yeah, each helmet has a review by the people who have bought it. And what we have done is we always do this, sort by most helpful, and we have taken the first review from all helmets, from all the helmets. Here we take the first review and we have saved it in a CSV file. Like, this is a demo one we did. As you can see, it saves the review as, like, it saves the first review it has, and then we use this review, we do the polarity and sentiment analysis on this review for each helmet. And that is what we have done for this assignment basically. So let me walk you through what we have done. So first of all, using CSV, we import all the necessary files we need, such as import CSV from typing, stuff like that. And then this is the main web scraping part. You can leave this, like, this is just definition. This is the main web scraping part. So first we go through a loop for x in range of 1 to 8. Now this is basically done so that we can just loop through all the pages, the different pages. Like, there's a lot of pages. If we just went with this, we would only have this much, which is what happened here. This is the first time we did, and we only got 20 because we had not given the 4 in range loop thing. So it just went to the first page and got all of these and got the reviews. So yes, that is what happened in the first part. So let me tell you what happens here. Now, since we have given for I in range of 1 to 8, it loops through all the pages. Like, it loops through all these pages and takes all the helmets and get the first review. And now, using Beautiful Soup, we do this: soup.findAll list class is equal to product category product listing item. Now this is basically we are doing this one, which is, let me select it and I'll show it to you right now. So as you can see, one second, class main column items, column main, category product listing container, and this. So basically this is what it does. So inside the loop we are given it product list is equal to soup.findAll, which is a list, and which is the class category product listing item. So the code goes through all of these and gets all the items inside this list. Class is equal to product category product listing item. So this thing has everything we require, such as this the ID, and this contains the website link which we take to go inside the website. This has the product card name which we save as name, and then the price too, the current price, and the rating. Now we have taken all of that: name, price, rating, and review. And then when we when we call this data frame, it shows up like this. And then what we do is we import the nltk.data, and then we import all the necessary header files for the sentiment analysis. Then we do both text blob and waiter sentiment, and then using that we append a score and the sentimentality to the data frame, which is called analysis data frame dot. And when we call it, like when we use analysis data frame dot head, it shows us all the helmets that we have acquired: the ID, the name, the price, the rating, the reviews, and the sentiment of the review of the helmet. It has given a sentimental score, and then it gives, is it negative or is it positive. And this is what I have done. The rest is done by my friend and my teammate Harsh. So I will stop my presentation here and let him take over. So thank you, sir. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you again soon. I don't know. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Tim. My name is Harsh, and I'll be continuing from here, and I will be presenting about storage and visualization in this project. So in this case, I took or chose MongoDB as the preferred data warehouse. So I worked on Jupyter Notebook for that, and MongoDB, of course, to store the data. So here's a finished or a screenshot from the database directly from the MongoDB, and here's two charts from Tableau, the technology that was used to visualize the charts. And here's a look for our dashboard. So let's start and go to our first page, that is on how I stored the data. So first of all, I converted the data frame into a CSV and connected to my database, that is MongoDB, and I changed the data frame into a JSON file first of all, or JSON object data, to transfer it to MongoDB. That is much easier way to transfer. After that, I selected the database name and inserted the data into the database. So first of all, I'll go to the MongoDB dashboard and delete the current database that I have. Then we'll create a new one and post new data inside it. So here is the blank database where we will be inserting the data. Here, after executing the query, we can go back to our dashboard and see that the data has been successfully loaded up. And moving forward, we'll move on to the dashboard so we can have a view at the interactive dashboard that we've created after performing the sentiment analysis. For example, you can say if you want to view how many negative bars were there, you can just tap on negative and you can have a look at it. So you can tap on it and it'll take you into details for a particular data or data set that has been selected. You can see like Icon Air Flight Peacekeeper helmet has a price of 430 and the sentiment was 400 and oh sorry, it was a positive sentiment. So from the chart we can see this Battle Scar helmet was the one that received the most positive one, and Skull one had the most negative one. So after the analysis that was performed, we could conclude that Airlight Battlescar 2 helmet had a positive feedback and the most negative feedback was that one, and all those were based on factors such as price, availability and preference. Thank you.